seem like we're somebody else. Set the perfect frame up, hide behind the makeup, like it's worth the cost of losing yourself. Sit there all alone, wishing we were known, trying to find a home in the palm of
You broke. You just gotta buy the building.
So broke men can know how to fix stuff, but what do rich men gotta do?
They gotta hire somebody to do it. Doesn't that make sense? Look, I can get somebody knows. They was coming at me. Maybe I do it.
Oh my god.
Okay. My family make me think I'm crazy, but this is my press. I get bored. 5-6 heart. I think I accidentally got two. These don't look nothing like the picture. Oh, a black one too. I got a new blanket. It's kind of thin. Forks. Pack of flashlights. Just in case. For just in case we really do have to camp out inside of here. I think I got some more. It smells so good. Pretty nice paper. Then, for a very long time, I got some tea lights. Just in case I get bored. Duct tape. Food. And this. I feel like I've been prepping for this storm since 3 o'clock. I ended up taking down my bed. They say that it's better if you sit on the ground so it's not like circulating from the bottom of the bed. And I think that I'm gonna put like a huge tarp around it, kind of like a tent. I made my biscuits and granola and a jam. It tastes like soda. I put berries, lemon, and chia seeds in it. And then I'm using my filtered water, my zero water filter. So it pretty much like take away everything out of the water. So I got some coconut water just to get some electrolytes, no sugar added. I have like this water, 4 gallons of water. And then all that stuff that I had earlier. I got this book. My mom might want to read this. I already read this book, so I might give this to my mom to read it too. And then I think I was enjoying the beginning of this book too, but I never finished it. I think I was enjoying this book too, but I never finished this neither. Charged this power bank. And this is a flashlight. It came on my vape. Then I feel like this will be enough heat for like to warm up. It's kind of like a terracotta pot. It's just glazed. So I'm hoping that if I burn this, it'll be enough heat just for this small space. This little crystal ball, I'm just gonna not do that right now. I've been reading this book. I love this book. This is a good book, but it definitely, don't read this book if you don't want to change your life and do better with your life. This is a book that I'm actually writing, you know, because when that power go out and I ain't nowhere to brush my teeth, and some, just in case I get dry, some gloves, just in case. Yeah. And then I heard that you should have bug spray. It would be kind of smart if I keep my camera out because this might be a moment that I want to remember. So I still want to do a little bit of hygiene, a little mouthwash, and then some cleanser. Trash can with the bags at the bottom. And then I got a little money jar. Another little hygiene station. If I wash my face, I'm gonna wanna dry it off with a rag. And then I got some tissue just in case I gotta burn that. I feel pretty prepared for the storm. I just need to like lock in right now and watch this. Now y'all, I've been moving. I've been feeling like a crazy person. Everybody like, oh, you doing too much, Like, it's not that bad. Like, girl, we ain't gonna have power in 15 degrees. Like, I'm just like, no, I'm doing just enough. Okay. And last but not least, I think I'm just gonna find like my social, I don't know where I put it, but I want to find my social security card and my birth certificate, just in case push come to shove and FEMA need to come out here. But I feel as though it's really not gonna be that bad. I just think that once the power is out, the power is gonna stay out, and I think that's gonna be the only thing. Like, I feel like the ice is gonna melt and people gonna be able to get around and stuff like that. Like, after a while, the ice is gonna melt. I gotta yank my dang on edges out again. It's okay, I'm from the apartment anyway, so don't worry about that. But I just want to put a tarp over my bed because I did not get a generator. Therefore, I won't have heat. A lot of this plastic. I don't know. My brain is like, I just feel like this was all just a part of an agenda. I really just have like a whole thought process about that, but I'm not gonna go too much into it because that's not my business. Yo, Gubbo, do you? Something about the fro. Like, I feel like with some big bead earrings, this would be cute. But I think, okay, hear me out. I don't dislike my natural self and stuff like that. You see forehead, and then this part, and this part. But with the hair, you see eyes, brow, lip. You lay the edges down, you see face. But you see more upper face than lower face. But once you see side, you see jawline. With the fro, and I'm sad because I'll be doing my eyebrows. So my sister asked me, what your eyebrows usually look like? Chopped. This is fake brows. That, whatever. And I'm pretty much all done with my whole doomsday prep. This is why I don't like having food in my room, for this very reason, because them biscuits are so good. Like, those biscuits, chef's kiss. I did my big one with that one. This like the last little Anyway, I'm about to chill, edit this damn alarm. I'm so sick of this shit. And it's the worst one too. I haven't brushed my teeth in a few days. Well, since I've been worried about this storm. I think I've just been like worrying about this storm. And I'm really addicted to Pinterest right now. So I'm gonna have my hour of Pinterest and edit, and yeah. See y'all in a sec. I'm still dry and ashy. I just filled that up with water. I have this one, but it has a crack in it, and that sucks. This reminds me of Frederick Douglass. This looks so cute. I might not even want to ever get another bed that's super high. It looks so cute. Especially with the laptop. Okay. Maybe I am panic shopping because I just realized I'm like, dang, I ain't got no can opener. Like, I don't want to take my roommate can opener upstairs. And then she be like, where my can opener? I need my can opener. Because we all ain't got no power and she got cans. Maybe I am panic shopping. Plus, I kind of want to see what it's hitting for. Like, I want to see what outside is hitting for right now. In light of everybody getting views because of our ice storm that's coming to Atlanta, I wanted to show y'all a little bit of my preparation. I low-key spent all day doing this, and if it don't ice, at least somebody's seen it. It's day one of the storm. Literally nothing is happening. I don't know. I'm very prepared for like Monday and Tuesdays. Right now, I bought me some eggs and stuff like that just in case and stuff. But I got my foods and stuff. Y'all already seen that. I'm really just wishing I would have just hopped on that flight and went to Miami though. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, but my sister was not trying to go with me, and I wasn't about to let her sit in this house alone. That's so messed up. But it's really just playing a waiting game right now. That's low key annoying because I have nothing to do and I haven't been doing anything recently, but I have been like walking and going out and stuff like that. So that was fun within itself. But right now, I mean, I don't know if it's smart to just be walking outside right now. Yo, my toes look so bad. My nails too. And I went outside and I got this freaking, I don't know if it's because I've been eating crazy or what, but this thing on little phlegm in my throat is crazy. And y'all, this food finna get ate up. I downloaded some movies just in case, you know what I'm saying? Just in case I get bored, and I'm just gonna power off my tablet and stuff like that so I can watch them just in case I get bored or whatever. Also, I was eating healthy, and I'm mad that I broke my little thing I was doing or whatever because I got some biscuits over there. I think I'm about to go make another bread just in case. It was really no bread in the store, but it was a lot of yeast and flour and water. And I'm like, why y'all don't just make y'all own bread at home? Like, do y'all really not know how to make bread? Like, is that really a thing? It was nothing but like bagels and stuff there. And they was putting like the sorry for our inconvenience or whatever, but we're out of this item. And when you think about it, the store is not going to be able to restock if it's ice on the ground. So I'm just like, that's crazy. It's not going to be anything in the store. And my favorite psychic been telling me about this dang on dark, cold power outage. I'm glad she said something because I got a few things already, but dang. These chips got me in a chokehold. And it's so annoying. It's real bad. I don't even want to eat these. They got cheddar on them. But anybody who ever ate sun chips knows that flavor at the end, it don't matter what flavor they put on there. That flavor at the end, and these chips are so good. My screen time is so high.